Hello, everyone. My name is Dave Das from Akasha Yoga Academy. I'm very, very, very happy to be here today talking with you about spring. Spring is, I should say yoga is a process that happens in close association with the seasons, with nature, with time and the transit of the sun and the moon. All of the elements that are present in nature relate very much both to Ayurveda and to the practice of yoga. The practice of yoga being like the sister science in a certain way of Ayurveda. And as springtime comes, a whole new energy comes. It's like often considered to be rebirth. And it's a time that's very beautiful for doing some cleansing practices. Traditionally, spring is a beautiful time for cleanse.